we are again. We're going to dissect contractions today. So we're on lesson 150, page 299 and 300. So our pages are getting higher. So the first thing that we're going to do when we're dissecting our contractions, remember, look at our contractions over here. Come on over, Ben. Put your mask on. We have to go into surgery. Remember, when we have a contraction is two words put together, and they are shortening it, and they're taking out the second word, parts of the second word. So let's look at the word I will. Remember the word I, the first word always stays. The second word, we're going to take out the first letter all the way up to the vowel. So what letters will I take out in will, Ben? Go ahead and dissect it. All right, he's taking out the W and the I. Put it up and down so it gets it. All right, so we have I apostrophe LL. Good. How about the word was not? That's tricky.
W.
What do we take out in the word was not?
W.
Does the first word change, Ben?
Oh, wait, no.
No. Look at the word not.
The O.
Good job. Ben got it. Come on up, Ben. In the word not, we only take out the letter O. So go ahead and take out the O, and it becomes was. The O is missing. Good. How about the word it is? Can you go ahead and take out what letter should be missing in it is? Ben is so smart.
I'm on.
He takes the, all right, for he is and for it is. Same thing. Is the same. You are smart. So it becomes, what word now, Ben? It now becomes?
Not. It is.
We say the word?
It's.
Good.
It's.
And he became the word?
Bees.
He became the word he's.
Highs.
Instead of he is going to the store, thank you, Nancy. You can say he's going to the store. Good job. All right, we're going to take our masks off because we're all finished with that for today. Good job. Now, the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to look at our chart here. And I'm going to back it up just a little. All right. Actually, let me move it a little closer to you. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and look at our words that we have here. Say them with me, Ben. Come on up because you're going to play part of the game.
What?
Wash, whale, bowl, worms, white, point, coin, who, flew, fewer, outside, wrinkle,
cowboy, right, south, 2 hours,
warm, new, wasp, snow.
Ta-da!
Now, stand to the side, Ben. I'm going to give a word and a clue. You try to figure out what word it is before Ben does. So Ben, go ahead and stand off to the side. Good.
Definitely.
All right, here we go. Let's see. I'm looking for a word that is a compound word. Compound word. See if you
Cowboy.
Good. Cowboy. Or you could have also said, did you say outside? Good job. All right, next one. I'm looking for a word that is a color word and has one special sound.
What?
White. Good job. I'm looking for, no, you're not. Two special sounds and it's a direction. Two special sounds and it's a direction.
South.
South. Good job. It is money. Money.
Wait.
Did you say coin? Good job. All right, it is something that lives in the water. Something that lives in the water. One special sound.
Where is it? Wasp.
Rhymes with pale. Oh, move out of the way so they can see. Rhymes with pale.
Pale. Wasp. Worms.
Did you say whale? Good job. All right, next one.
I'm not smart.
You are smart. It is part of the weather. Two special sounds.
Warm.
Part of the weather,
Warm.
two special
Warm.
sounds. I'll accept warm, but there was another one that's part of the
snow.
Snow. Good job. And then the last one that
not
we're going
smart.
to do is we're going to do, it is two special sounds in the word, and it is an insect. An insect.
Wasp.
Wasp. Good job. Okay, go ahead and have a seat. All right, now today we are also continuing in our lesson. We're going to talk about rhyming words. I'm going to give a rhyme. Ben's going to give a rhyme. You give a rhyme in your mind. When we get to 4 rhymes, we're going to move on. We'll see who can make the most rhymes. So come on over, Ben, so you can see. All right, come sit here. Freeze.
Bees.
Tease.
Cheese.
What would you say?
Cheese.
Cheese. Good job. All right, so that was 4. Let's go to the next one. See if you can think of one. Took.
Book.
Cook.
Look.
Good. Or you could say shook or hook.
You say a word and I have to write
Yep.
it?
All right. Hard. Hard.
Card.
Guard.
Bard.
Bard is true. Okay, next one. Squash.
Flush.
Wash. Squash. Wash. All right, got you, Ben. All right, let's try one more.
I was gonna say flush.
Cool. Cool.
I wanna say cool. Floor.
Pool. Tool. School.
Ah!
All right, let's try opposites. I'm going to say an opposite. You try to say the opposite word before Ben does. Up. Pop up when you know the answer.
Yeah.
Good. Let's try inside. Pop up if you know the answer.
Outside.
Good. Hard.
I was gonna say fart, but
Soft. Opposite of hard is soft.
I just said fart.
Under. Under.
Up. Under. Down.
No. Under, you have over. Under, over. Opposite of sun.
Moon.
Good job. All right.
I'm smart that time.
Good job. All right, go ahead and you can go ahead and finish work. Now, today we're going to go ahead and look at our phonics book page. We're going to look at our phonics book page. We're continuing to talk about contractions. So if you look there, you see the word will not. Chloe will not be at school today. Will not is the exception that the entire word changes, because we don't say the word won't. The word becomes won't, W-O-N apostrophe T. So remember, the first word stays. If it's the word not, you take out the O. If it is not the word not, you take out all the letters up to the O. Up to the consonant or whatever is there. So look at, let's do he has. For he has never been this late. He stays. Take out the H and the A, and that's where your apostrophe goes, and then you have an S. He's never been this late. Good. Now that last part, for that you should be able to do. Now I have some pictures for section 2. They want you to write an adjective if it was a noun, and they want you to write in a verb if it was an adverb if it was a verb. Now, here is our noun that they gave us. So they gave us a worm, and they ask us to describe our worm. So what word can you use that describes this? What adjective does this look like? You could say fat worm, wiggly worm. You could say squishy or brown. You could give it a color. So describe your worm. Now the next one they gave you was an actual verb. So they said that they went fishing. So we would say, how were they fishing? How were they fishing? You could say, what did you think of? How were they fishing? Maybe quickly or slowly. Maybe the fish were coming, they were slowly fishing or quietly fishing. So a word that would describe how they were fishing. Now the next one that they gave was the word stopping. And again, since it's a verb, you ask the verb how. How were they stopping? Did they come to a screeching stop? Were they stopping quickly? Were they stopping slowly? How did you want to say that they were stopping? You give an adverb that would describe stopping. And then the last one that they gave us was this picture, this noun. This is a picture of, what do you think that looks like? It's a sandwich, okay? It's a sandwich. And what could you say about this sandwich? I thought colorful. It was colorful. It was big. It looks to me yummy. So there's all kind of words that can describe delicious. All kinds of words that can describe our sandwich. Now the last part on the back side, all you're doing is giving an adverb or an adjective for your words. You can go ahead and do that, and hopefully that has been helpful. Now we're going to finish with correct sentence usage. So I'm going to give you a sentence. You tell me if it was correct or not. We has a great soccer team this year. Was that sentence correct? We has a great soccer team this year. It was not correct because that was past tense. So we need to use the word we have. We have a great soccer team this year. Has was not correct. Try this next one. Dylan and Josh are on our soccer team. Dylan and Josh are on our soccer team. It is correct with are because Dylan and Josh, there's two of them, which makes it, you have to, plural. So you need to make sure your verb is also a verb that can go with a plural noun. Hopefully that will help you finish the page, and I will see you next time.